This is a Century Communities Plan Davis. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it's pretty big. It's about a little over 1,900 square feet. Big yard. This is really deep. All right, let's go inside and take a look. Okay, we got 9-foot ceilings. That was bedroom 1. Here's the bathroom. We got granite, elongated toilet, and a tub shower combination with tile. And then inside is a linen closet or towels. Here's bedroom 2. And you have this is either a dining room or a flex area. This is the garage. 2-car garage, tankless water heater, sprinkler system, electrical panel inside. You have a big utility room here. The appliances will be installed here. There's another plug right there. And then you could put like a hall tree or something for the coats, the backpacks, whichever you got. There's just a hallway closet. And a big kitchen. There's a light. Plugs like USB-C and A. And the appliances will all go in here, but that's nice. Proper eating area. Wow. It's a big living room. And this is the primary bedroom. There's dual sinks, granite. Big walk-in shower. Nice sized closet. Toilet has a door. And here's the master closet. So you got a covered patio. Here's a gas stub out. And decent yard. Nice. You just need to put in the appliances and everything is good to go. But this is a Century Communities Plan Davis. And this is filmed in Granger Pines. So if you have any questions about it, let me know.